Hello and welcome. To monitor our RDS, we have mainly three components. One, performance insights. Second, enhanced monitoring. And the third one, known as CloudWatch metric. We already discussed about performance insight and enhanced monitoring. In this video, we are going to discuss about CloudWatch. So let's start. Hello and welcome. I hope you are enjoying our AWS series. We have big plan to add Azure series, even videos for each and every DevOps technologies. But for this, we want some support from you guys. You can support us by only doing two things. First, subscribe to this channel. And yes, only subscribe to this channel if you are thinking that this videos is actually giving you some values. It will help you to pass any AWS exam like AWS Cloud Practitioner, Solution Architect Associate, or even Solution Architect Professional. Second thing is, share these videos with other IT professionals. Learning process is actually not expensive. If you are getting better or proper instructor or a mentor, it will really help you to develop your skill. If you are thinking that we are providing you a proper right path to improve your skill, your friends also deserve this, right? And for this, you have to share this channel videos with them. So, I am just requesting you to do these two tasks for me. One, subscribe to our channel and share with other IT professionals. Thank you. Now you can continue your video. First of all, I want to tell you that CloudWatch is actually AWS monitoring tool. We are using CloudWatch to monitor any components of AWS. For example, if I want to monitor my EC2 instance, if I want to monitor my application load balancer or network load balancer, if I want to monitor my auto scaling group, to monitor any components, we are using CloudWatch. Now, same way, we can also monitor our RDS instance using CloudWatch as well. CloudWatch is general monitoring tool in AWS. Here, I am going to tell you about main difference between CloudWatch monitoring and these two. So here, the first difference. CloudWatch provides unified platform to monitor all aspects of your RDS instance, combining data from database engine and OS. Look at this. We already discussed about performance insight, which is used to monitor performance metrics related to your database engine. Enhanced monitoring is used to monitor operating system of your database engine. But if I'm talking about CloudWatch, it is used to monitor both. Now, definitely you may have one question here in your mind that then we are going to use CloudWatch, right? Why we are going to use a specific tool to monitor specific components? Let me tell you, if you want detailed monitoring, if you want real-time monitoring, then you can use this too. Your first point to monitor your RDS is always CloudWatch. If you are not able to get details from your CloudWatch monitoring data, then you can go with the performance insight or enhanced monitoring. So yes, performance insights and enhanced monitoring will provide you detailed monitoring plus real-time monitoring, while CloudWatch may not provide you real-time monitoring. It will take some time, 1 minute or 5 minutes. Here, both of this will provide you real-time monitoring. But there are some points which is not available in performance insights or enhanced monitoring, and these points are really very important. Sorry, I know that you want to watch full video, but full video is now not available on YouTube. If you want to watch full video, I want you to go to our website. When you will go to our website, you will find out our course 100 Days YouTube Challenge. I want you to enroll for this course by paying only 499 rupees for lifetime if you are from India. If you are from outside of India, you just need to pay $7 US. Once you will enroll to this course, you are going to get all full videos over there on our portal. You are also going to get certificate after completing the course, and we have just uploaded 120 videos. We are going to upload another 120 videos as well. So there will be total 240 videos. I hope we are going to meet inside the class. Thank you very much.